slushy. So I forgot my ID, so my sister's gonna get me a drink, so I'm just gonna come outside and sit and wait for them. Teach. A drink. So we got food. But we have a good morning, y'all. I just woke up, literally. I'm still in bed, but I wanted to start my vlog today. I'm kind of in between homes right now, so I haven't like fully moved to Philly yet because it's still the summer. So I'm moving in next month actually. So I'm kind of like subletting a room from some random person. So I'm kind of in between homes right now, but just wanted to show you guys what a summer day in my life looks like. I've been spending a lot of time on my own, to be honest. Trying to be creative, trying to, you know, make the most of my time. But let me show you what I did yesterday. So yo, your girl was like, my hair is dirty, let's wash it. And I was like, wait, let me actually do something that's different and interesting. And this is what your girl did. Let me show you the full look. This is what I did. It took a while. Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing the tutorial, because I actually filmed myself doing it, but I wasn't sure if I was going to post the tutorial. But let me know in the comment section. But yeah, this is what I did. I did like bantu knots with like 2 sides with beads. It was not planned. I literally was just like, what should I do to my hair? And I just like Google stuff, and I was like, oh, let me try bantu knots. It was very, very, very uncomfortable to sleep in, like hugely uncomfortable to sleep in, but we move. I'm gonna start my day today. The first thing I'm actually going to do is clean up, because to be honest, this room is a mess, and there's an empty room next to mine, and so I used that room to do my hair yesterday, and y'all, I messed it up. Let me just say it like that. Y'all will see what I mean. So I need to go clean that right now, and then clean this room, organize this room.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't, 'cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, if you hadn't run away. Every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. About your magics and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the
This room I'm living in right now, it's actually a mess because I've been living out of a box and basically just putting mystuff everywhere, to be honest, and I really need to organize in some kind of way. I've been here for about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks now actually, and yeah, I just have stuff all over the place, so I just need to clean this up real quick and possibly put all my clothes into those drawers, because I really hate this. If you guys know me, I absolutely hate living out of a box. It's actually the worst thing ever, because you can't find anything. You freaking cannot find anything, so you end up doing this because you can't find anything. The reason why I never really unpacked was because I'm only staying here for a month, and so I was just like, what's the point of unpacking? But at this point, I really feel like there's a point, because this room is really sad at the point. So I need to clean this. Look at this mess. I literally did all this yesterday because I was trying to find some of like my hair product stuff, and so basically this is what I was trying to find, and literally I had to like throw everything out on the floor. All right, so where do I start? What's love got to do with it?
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine, wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
Oh, I got my diploma, whatever this thing is called, but I haven't opened it yet because I don't know, I feel like I just want to open it in my new apartment when I'm like framing it up and hanging it up. Y'all know what I mean. Y'all get it.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
Yo, my sister blessed me a few days ago. So my sister kind of like hoards skincare products, to be honest with you. And so usually every time I'm looking for something new, I literally just go to her house and I'm like, hey, are you using this anymore? Can I have it? So last week she like gave me like a bunch of Body Shop like tea tree oil stuff. I actually always have used this one. This is like the regular the aloe vera one. I always use this one. This is like my regular skin day and night moisturizers, but then these ones are new. I've never used like tea tree stuff before, so yeah, she just blessed me. But y'all, the smell, have you guys smelled this thing? Why does tea tree oil smell like this? This is the oil, and my god, I put my nose to this thing and I almost passed out. What sort of nonsense scent is this? Anyways, but she blessed your girl, so I have a lot of new skincare stuff right now, which is really great. Okay, so I have no hangers here. I have a beautiful closet, but no hangers. I just put my shoes and stuff up here. But I wish I could hang my clothes up because that would have been more efficient. But I have no hangers on my stuff in a storage unit. I really don't want to go get my hangers. And so now what do I do with these clothes? So what I'm just going to do is end up putting them in that dresser. So let's do that. This drawer already has stuff in it, so I'm about to put my clothes into these 3 drawers. Alright, so I finished putting all the clothes in. I used both the American method and the regular like stack method just to try to fit everything in. But these are all my tops. These are like dresses and like jackets, like heavy denim jacket stuff. These are bottoms and my belt. And then I took out the hair stuff from this one and put them in there, so I can put in like loungewear, like nightwear, and my robe and things like that, sweatshirts. And all my clothes are out of the box. The box is empty, thankfully, so I'm gonna put that away and then make my bed, vacuum the room, organize that place a little bit, and I'll be done. All organized. There are no boxes on the floor no more. That whole place is organized. My bed is made. Have my shoes and stuff up here, which is nice. Here are just things that I'm wearing right now. And then laundry, you know, that stuff. I'm going to go make some breakfast. I'm going to be making a very, very Nigerian breakfast today. It's gonna be plantain and eggs. I'm so excited. But I changed my shirt because I had to go outside to go pick up some packages that I ordered, which I'm going to be opening up with you guys later on. I picked up my packages here. I'm gonna open them later with you guys. So for some reason, the ripe plantain that I bought is not ripe. So I don't understand what's going on with plantains here today. So it wasn't ripe, so I couldn't make that. So I just had to just like put together like something. Y'all will see what I make. Right now I'm frying a beef patty. Let's see what happens. I don't know where this is going. So I just showered and got ready, wore some clothes, some jewelry and all that. I'm actually going to film a video today. It's kind of like a last minute video, so I'm not wearing makeup or anything. It's just going to be a chill, laid back video. And I just want to show you guys what I'm wearing. I don't know if I'm going to keep this on for the rest of the day because I'm actually going out with my sister and some friends later on, of course being safe, but we're gonna go out soon. So I don't know if I'm going to wear this out, but this is what I'm wearing right now for indoors. I'll show you guys the outfits. So I'm wearing this like half plaid, half black like long sleeve shirt, and then I'm wearing my denim skirt. On my feet I was gonna wear the black sneakers that I have, black chunky sneakers, but we will see. I might change this outfit, but for now this is what I'm wearing. I'm going to film my video and take some photos, of course. Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna go back with another video. So today we're gonna be doing a fun video. I just finished filming my video. Thankfully it was kind of long. I didn't expect it to be that long. But yeah, now I'm going to take some photos. I'm going to do like a little mini photo shoot in my room. Q, one of my friends, is actually going to come over and my sister's going to pick us up and we're going to go to a winery. So stay tuned for that. Right now I'm just going to take photos and then you come along with us to a winery. That's how I take my photos, with this tiny remote. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me on Instagram at @mmunko_ for sure. Y'all, Q is here. Hey! She's gonna take some photos with me. I'm not over your view. It's actually so nice. Wow. We just got to the winery. We're about to get some drinks and food, but guess what? I forgot my ID. Of course I did that. But yeah, we're about to get like some drinks and some food and like sit on the grass. It's so cute. Drink. This is like a wine slushy.
I'll be fine. I like sweet wine.
Wait, I want to try it. This is like really cool like plants vineyard area, so we're gonna go take photos first before we eat. It's so hot. Here's where we're sitting, all around here. So we got food, we have tacos and nachos and nachos.
Yeah, you won't hit rocks.
And we're
Like
just
if you hit a
sitting
rock with that pole on the
around.
ground,
But we have a tarp.
Having a nice evening. I'm excited to eat because I'm actually quite hungry and my hot sauce just fell.
that's 5,000 gallons of water.
Okay, thankfully it's not open.
I don't want to get rid of the grass, Ephraim.
Another one asking for the bowl.
For some of the kids, that's the first time they've ever heard that, like,
Hey y'all, so I just got back home from the winery. It was fun. Got to spend time with my sister and friends and all of that. So that was a good time and cute. I'm actually going to be opening up some packages right now. Remember the packages I told you guys about? I got some stuff. I just want to show you guys what I got just because I think it's might be interesting to you guys. I don't know why. So I got yarn because I want to do like threading, you know, like the African threading to stretch my hair. I actually was to make a video about like heatless stretching kind of video, so that's why I actually got this yarn. Oh yes, y'all. Okay, so to be honest, my skin has been feeling kind of like bumpy, like not bumpy, but like feels like I need to exfoliate more because I only use my hands to wash my face. So I'm just like googling things that can help me like actually like scrub a little bit. And I didn't want to get those brushes because to be honest, like I used to use it before. I just feel like it was too harsh. So I found this thing on Amazon. I'm going to try it out and see what it feels like. But it's kind of like a little brush thing that you can use in your face. I don't have a scissors right now, so I can't open it. Just put your fingers in it and it has like these like bristles right here, and you just like use it to scrub your face. And so I'm excited to try it out. I will let you all know how this goes. Yay, I got my exercise mat. So I owned one of these before, but then I stayed with my family in Virginia for a while during the summer. So on my way back, we were driving in like a truck, and I've never driven in a truck before, so I didn't know like what to put in the bed and what not to put in the bed. So I had my boxes, and then I put my old exercise rack in the truck. While we were driving on the highway, this thing flew off. Like I was so scared that it was gonna cause an accident, like someone was literally going to like get hit by it and like, you know, skid off the road. I was so scared. Literally just like went off, but thankfully it just fell on the floor and people just like drove over it. But that was literally one of the scariest things that has happened to me. Thankfully no one died, nobody had an accident, thankfully. But like, yeah, that's how I lost my old exercise mat. I decided to buy another yoga mat. So this is my second one. Hopefully I don't destroy it. Very excited about it. Comes with like knee pad. Yes, that's cool. I'm gonna start working out, y'all. I really need to. I've been really back like behind with my workouts, so I'm very excited to actually start working out. So yeah, that's all I got. I hope you guys like this unboxing. And I'm actually going to end this vlog right now. I actually have a Zoom call to get on because all my friends, actually all of us, like, are getting together to have a Zoom call tonight. So I need to get on that right now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys like this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it a little bit, at least. Just like a day in my life, summer day in my life. Honestly, my summer has not been as exciting as it should be. I'm meant to be like traveling now or something, enjoying my last summer of after college, but that's not happening for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new. Thank you for being here. Comment down below anything you guys want to say about this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, love you, peace and strength.